Hi all, my name is Matt Kugler and I am here with SeedSheet. Our goal with the SeedSheet is to enable you to take control of your food. The real best way to know where your food's coming from, what's going into it, what the farmers, whether or not they use pesticides on it, whether or not they use herbicides on it. The main and easiest way for you to absolutely know what is going into the food that you're consuming or that you're feeding your family is to grow it yourself. But growing food is hard, or at least it used to be. Our SeedSheet enables you to put a farmer's market on your windowsill, stoop, porch, raised beds, yards, or roof. What the SeedSheet is a weed blocking fabric that is embedded with dissolvable pods, kind of like a laundry detergent pod that has soap in it, although ours has organic non-GMO seeds and a buffer of soil. All that you, the customer, has to do is roll it out like you're making your bed in the morning, seed side down, you water it, and in about 30 seconds, the pods will dissolve, your seeds will germinate, they'll sprout up through the aligned openings in the weed blocking fabric, and the result is the perfectly designed, organic, weedless garden that you planted in 30 seconds. One of the highlights of the SeedSheet is that the arrangement of the pods are actually designed via an algorithm that we created. And that algorithm codifies the spacing, environmental, companion, and climate requirements for each different type of vegetable, herb, flower, and fruit that we currently carry, and build that design into that actual sheet itself. So when you're laying it out, there's no seeding, there's no weeding, there's no spacing, there's no fumbling with tiny seeds. It's all in there, and it's all designed for the most optimal harvest possible. One of the cool things that we're doing is we're really trying to put the ag back into ag tech. After World War II, the US shifted its momentum from arms to ag and really pioneered a lot of really inefficient and dangerous devices. So the results was synthetic fertilizer, the results was big automated machinery, which all that it really served to do was increase the destructive capacity of agriculture. So instead of using herbicides, or instead of genetically modifying plants so that they will be resistant to different types of herbicides, we use a fabric. It's a weed blocking fabric that's perforated, so once you water it, water will actually soak through and it prevents weeds from sprouting up, minimizing any competition that your plants have and allowing them to grow faster and to a larger harvestable size. Instead of pesticides that are not just scary to eat, but also killing the bee populations, we use companion planting. So we're putting beneficial plants near each other that are going to attract insects that would otherwise hurt a different plant, and we are also attracting the pollinators that are in turn pollinating your other plants and helping your plants grow to maturity faster. Instead of expensive chemicals and big equipment, it's a great cartoon that came out this summer. I wish there was more profit in farming. There is. In year 2015, the CEOs of Monsanto, DuPont, Pioneer, John Deere combined made more money than 2,129 Iowa farmers. Instead of big money into seeds and genetics, big money into farm equipment, let's make farming affordable. Here's a test that we ran in Vermont where a farmer planted 100 feet of cucumbers in 27 seconds. It's no machinery, it's a cardboard tube. Right now we have 16 different products. We're based in Middlebury, Vermont. All of our sheets are designed with pre-curated designs. We have salad kits, herb kits, tomato kits, taco kits, smoothie kits. We're currently carried in Home Depot, Amazon. We just launched on the Grommet this summer. Gardner Supply House, and onboarding with Walmart and Sam's Club for next year. One of the exciting things that we're definitely taking interest over here is to do a customizable sheet, a customizable platform, which we are launching in September, very soon, and that will enable you to go and design your own seed sheet on our site, which we then build and ship straight to your door. It's no longer meal delivery, we're pioneering farm delivery. Come check us out, and I'll answer any questions.
How much testing has these algorithms and stuff been done on climates outside of Vermont and North
So we've shipped all 50 states right now. We've shipped over 4,000 products. And definitely being a new startup, we've standardized, and so that we're currently offering close to 50 different varieties. So it's been a fairly wide test, but still pretty early on in its development.
Yeah. Is the soil self-contained, or does it rely on the soil underneath?
So it does need soil underneath it. So basically we're just replicating the process of you poking your hole in the soil, putting in your seed and covering it back up. That's inside of each one of those dissolvable pods. So depending on the type of plant that you're planting, salad greens you only need 4 or 6 inches. For something like a tomato, you'll want 24 to 36.
Thank you.
Thank you.